Meet Passionflower, a cherished South American herb long used by indigenous communities for its calming properties. Today, Passionflower is recognized for its potential to ease mild anxiety and support restful sleep. Scientific studies suggest that compounds in passionflower may interact with the brain's GABA receptors, promoting relaxation and reducing nervous tension. Traditionally, it's used to help manage symptoms of stress, occasional insomnia, and restlessness. Common forms include herbal tea, 1 to 2 teaspoons dried herb per cup, steeped 10 to 15 minutes, tinctures, 1 to 2 millis up to 3 times daily, or capsules, typically 250-500 milligrams per dose. Dosage can vary significantly, depending on factors like age, health status, and specific preparation, so consultation with a healthcare professional or qualified herbalist is essential. Some individuals may notice calming effects within an hour of use, while more noticeable sleep or anxiety benefits may require several days to weeks of consistent use. Results depend on individual physiology and usage. The information provided here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before using any herbal remedies, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, taking medication, or have any underlying health conditions. Want to create short vids like this? Click affiliate link in bio.